Imagine that all of the resources that you've curated to grow your business, those courses that you signed up for and maybe or maybe didn't finish, all those emails that you flagged from gurus that you might implement someday, or all of those books on your bookshelf that had brilliant ideas. Imagine that they were all perfectly organized on a set of shelves in front of you. And that every morning when you woke up, you knew exactly which shelf to go to, what resource to pull out, and what to do with it. Imagine that you had a 12-month plan that took you step by step through growing your business. And that plan was created by somebody else. Imagine that that plan didn't reflect what everybody else says you should do with your business, but was tailored to what you want to accomplish with your business, what's important to you. Imagine that you weren't alone. Because let's face it, growing a business and building a business is lonely work. We hit thresholds all the time. And having a partner to go through that with us makes all the difference in the world. But here's the real kicker. Imagine that that didn't break the bank. Welcome to our micro business owner community. I started this community because I have a problem with business coaching. Yes, I'm a business coach who has a problem with business coaching because it's just too gosh darn expensive. I am a business owner that likes to focus on profitable, sustainable, consistent, reliable growth. Let's face it, I'm budget conscious. And I firmly believe that every business owner out there deserves to have access to one-on-one coaching, and that it shouldn't cost $500, $750, $1,000, $1,500 or more every month to get access to that coaching. Our coaching subscriptions start at $100 a month. How did we do it? Well, we have 3 common components that are part of our programs that help balance the one-on-one with the do-it-yourself resources. The first is that every subscription client that works with us gets a 12-month plan. That 12-month plan is tailored to accomplishing the goals that they want to accomplish and that are important to them. In addition to that, we have regular working sessions where we review that plan with you and we update it, refresh it. And those sessions are dependent on your engagement with us. If you're on the Visionary package, for instance, we do quarterly 90-minute sessions to set the plan. But maybe you want to focus more on goal setting and really making progress every month. The Playmaker, which is our most popular package, is a monthly goal setting session where we sit down with you, help set the goals, look at the last month, and make sure you have exact projects that you need to be working on in the next month. Great. So you have that one-on-one component. That's fantastic. But sometimes you need help in between. So how do you get that? Because let's just face it, challenges do not wait for a coaching session to crop up. This is where the other 2 components come in handy. We have a micro course library that every one of our subscription members gets unlimited access to. And those micro courses are tailored to solve specific challenges you face when you face them. We release 1 to 2 new micro courses every month. That includes templates, video recording, screen sharing, step-by-step instructions, everything that you need to do for a specific area of your business. And we launch new courses based on what you tell us is important. So if we find we're consistently getting asked, for instance, right now, we're consistently getting asked to create a course that helps people reverse engineer what they need to make from a revenue standpoint to actually pay themselves a specific salary. It's a really common problem for people in their first 2 years of business or converting from a side hustle to a full-time hustle to need to work through that. So we're creating that course. So as needs arise, we can give you the exact course that you need to solve your problems in one sitting versus big flagship courses that you may or may not ever finish. The third component of the program is the member space. And that allows you to ask questions in between sessions because sometimes you're going to run into brick walls, you're not going to know how to do something, you're going to need some more resources. This is the go-to place where you ask those questions. This member space has only one-on-one coaching customers in it. So people have to have a subscription with us to be on that member space. That means you have an engaged community of business owners who think the same way as you and have a lot of different experiences that they can share. We provide answers to every question that comes up. So your coach will work with you in that member space for anything that comes up in between sessions, but you also get the benefit of everyone else in the community being able to provide suggestions, ideas, and resources. That crowdsourcing can be just the right amount of creative innovation you need, combined with clarity from your coach on what they would do if they were in your shoes. How is this sounding? If you have wondered and wanted coaching but have questioned whether or not the investment was right for you, now is your time. For $100 a month, you can get the one-on-one support that you've been craving to move your business forward. And if there's any piece of your mind that thinks this solution might be for you, that this partnership may possibly work for you, then please check out today and schedule that 12-month planning session. As soon as we see your checkout come through, we're going to make that happen for you. And we're going to get going on your plan, which you'll get within 2 business days after that initial session. Or if you want to talk more or figure out more what this looks like, schedule a virtual coffee with us. We're happy to sit down and walk through the process and help get clarity on which package is right for you and what it will look like and feel like and what you'll get from it. But don't let anything stop you, because you deserve this. You deserve to have a coach, and you deserve to have a coach that won't break the bank. I hope to see you in the member space, because now is the time to grow your business.